Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add and edit layers in Snappa. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account and opening the project you want to work on. I'm just going to use a template from here. In Snappa, each design element like text, image, shape or icon is placed on a separate layer. Click on element on a design to select it. This will bring up the option to customize the specific element. With the element selected, you can adjust the layering position by using the option available in the top toolbar. You can send it forward or send it to back. Send backwards means moving the selected element one layer backward, and move layer forward means moving the element one layer forward. This option helps you to arrange elements that ensure they appear in the correct order in your design. You can adjust the opacity of any element by selecting it and using the opacity slider in the toolbar. This helps to create layered semi-transparent effect. You can manually move an element by dragging it to a new position or use the arrow key for more precise adjustment. If you want to move the multiple element together as a group, select multiple element by holding the shift key and clicking each element. Once you have organized and edited your layer, preview your design to ensure the layering and positioning look correct. After finalizing, click Save or Download to save or export your project. By using these steps, you can easily add and manipulate layers in Snappa to create complex, well-organized designs over overlapping elements. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.